Hi, Cesar here with RC Pest Control. Today I'm gonna show you another finished service provided by us. Check it out. Hey guys, Cesar here with RC Pest Control. This project here, this service here, I'm gonna have to apologize for you guys because I lost my microphone contact since the beginning of the video. But because this video is before of we actually did anything, it's such an important video. So customer called us here with a problem because of she has a dog, and the dog tends to go under the fence and kind of escape. It's a small lovely dog called Oliver, small poodle, and Oliver likes to go all over the place, in and out. So she called us to do the fence, and we can use the same fence as we use for the critter fence, for the toads, the frogs, and the snakes. We bury her 4 to 6 inches under the ground, so there is no chance for them to go under. And same way here on the left side, we just did the trench previously, so we can bury her all the way to the fence to the left side, and also goes all the way to the right side. So customer is very excited for this project because of she just bought this house a couple of weeks ago, and she cannot even, the dog goes out for more than 2-3 minutes and with her, so it's become a nightmare for her. And we told her that we're gonna fix this problem, we're gonna have the solution, and that she's gonna be happy, and she is happy already since we start to move in here and there, and it's gonna be an interesting project here. Okay, at this project here, customer called us with a problem because she has a small puppy, actually named Oliver, sweet dog, and Oliver used to go under the fence and kind of escape away. So she was concerned about that, and she called us. We said we have the solution because we use the critter fence, the same one that we use for toads, frogs, and snakes. On this case, we just put it here at the gates. We put with plastic edging, so whenever you open the gate, it's going to be totally impossible for Oliver coming out. And again, if you guys can see inside, the fence is very smooth here. Let me just take my shades off. Very smooth here. We also bury it 4 to 6 inches here. We have to, because of in case of toads and frogs, they don't stand a chance. On this case here, guys, we also add a plastic edging all over the place because we know the weed whackers, some people just pass those communities very fast when they do their maintenance. So we just protect the whole property. If you can see here, it's all protected with this plastic edging all over the place. So in case any maintenance guy wants to run this property crazy, doesn't pay attention to details, we protect it with the plastic edging on the bottom. So that's it. On this corner here, you guys can see she used to have a big gap, so we have to finish with some plastic edgings here on the corner too, so no excess, it's perfect, and she's very happy. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys, and if you guys are from Palm Beach area, don't forget to give us a call, or you guys can also reach out from the social media, and we can visit you at no cost. Okay, we also do a landscape services, new installations, revamps, maintenance, everything from the outside. So if you guys like this video, leave us a like, give us a comment with your thoughts or doubts, and I'll see you guys in the next video.